let's tackle something that's absolutely critical for someone learning AWS. Uh, so I am going to show you how to create your first AWS budget. This is going to be our financial safety net. We will set up two alert levels. One would be at $5 and another would be at $10. So I am typing budgets. So here you will get bills and account management. So we will go to budget option. So I am going to click on create budget to get started. All right. So AWS gives us some pre-built templates here, but we are going to use the customized one. So that we will understand what we are exactly setting up. Okay. So we need to choose a budget type. So so cost budget. This tracks how much money we are spending. Uses budget. This tracks specific resources uses. For example, let's suppose like S3 storage in GBs. Savings plan budget. Uh, for these are used for reserve capacities and reservation budget. So these are used for the reserved instances. We will learn these in our further sessions. So we will select cost budget. Yeah. So one thing is really important to understand. Like AWS budgets are notification tools, not a enforcement tool. So if you will set a budget at $10 and you hit 15, so AWS will not automatically stops your services. It will just emails the alerts. So yeah. So let's continue. Uh, okay. Yeah. So I will set my budget name as my AWS learning budget. Okay. And for period, we will take monthly as default. Okay. This meets our requirement for now. For reoccurring, this means that it will renews every month automatically. So we will have this only. Okay. And yeah, one thing to know, y- your budget start from the beginning of the current month. So not from the today. Like let's suppose today's date is 15th. Okay, it's 15th of October. So your budget will start from the first of the October, not from the today's date. So yeah, this one you need to know. Other thing, yeah, your budget amount. So for learning purpose, I am going to set it as $15 for now. Okay, this will give us room to have experiment with these services while staying safe. Okay, yeah. So for budget scope, when we will go to the specific AWS cost dimensions. So in this we can set the filters against different AWS services. So let's suppose we have to only track the cost of S3 or any Lambda. So this will be useful. For now I am just selecting all services. Okay, so tags are optional. Like, tags are useful for tracking some specific tags of any specific services. Okay, so for this budget we are just not going to add the tags. So I'm clicking on next. Okay, so this is our third step, which is configuring the alerts. So I will add the alert threshold. So first one will be of $5 as we discussed earlier. So for now I will just use the email recipients option. So I will add my email. Yeah, so for now I am just ignoring these options. So let's add another alert which will be at $10. Okay, I will again add my email and I will click on next. Okay, so this is our fourth step, which is attaching the actions. So for now we will just ignore this step. So these are used when we want any action to be performed. For example, let's suppose if the budget reaches its limit, so we will trigger any lambda or something like that. So for now I am ignoring this step. So now we will review our budget. So budget name, yeah. So I will click on create budget. So let me show you what this look likes. So yeah, here is our budget history. So currently we don't have any of them. Okay. Yeah. So here we will have our current spendings, or this is and this is our the forecasted spend. These are predicted by AWS for the end of total month. And here alerts status is okay. Currently we don't have any actions to perform. So that's all for now. For next video we will discuss about some other AWS services. Thank you.